Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Canon Pixma MG3650S on Android smartphone and also how to use basic features of Canon print application like printing and scanning. Let's get into it right now. First, let's talk about the printer's Wi-Fi connection methods. It has two basic methods. The first one is WPS and the second one is setup network. WPS is way more simpler, so if you have access to WPS button on your router, you can do like this. Press and hold Wi-Fi button until you see the blinking power indicator, then press the black button, Wi-Fi button, and then WPS button on your router, and after about 1 minute the indicators will get back solid and your printer will connect to your Wi-Fi network, and that's pretty it. Actually, you just need to install the application and start using the printer. But I will show a bit more complicated method for those who doesn't have access to WPS button, and this is setup network. To activate setup network, do almost the same. Wi-Fi button, press and hold to see blinking indicator, but this time press the color button on your printer and Wi-Fi button again. So now the indicator is blinking, it's in setup network mode, and let's continue on your Android smartphone. As you already know, you need Canon Print application to finish setup the printer, so get it from Google Play Store and let's open the app. Agree to the end user's license agreement, and these checkboxes are optional. This is something like user experience program or something else. You can read about that and agree or disagree. Personally, I prefer check these two checkboxes and do not subscribe to notifications. Next you need to allow precise location and nearby devices to the application, and you're going to be prompted to do this. So allow while using the app, allow nearby devices, and you can allow or decline notifications. And now what you need to do is hit search over here. In this dialog, answer no, because your printer is not on that list, but it has been done automatically, as you can see. So hit next. Now you are prompted to connect to the printer's setup network. That's exactly what you need to do. So connect to it. It doesn't require password. Now the printer will be connected to the following wireless router, and check if it's your network, because maybe printer by mistake detected the neighbor's network. In this case, hit no, and you will be prompted to select network manually and enter password. But in my case, it's correct, so I just need to press yes and enter password of my Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now it's saving and connecting. This may take more than 150 seconds. Thank you for info, but usually it's much faster. Now wait for the printer to appear on the screen. Here it is, and surprise, application even detected another HP printer, but you need to tap on your Canon printer. And the advantage of WPS connection method, when you connect in via WPS, you will see the screen right away. You're skipping all the previous steps. So tap on the printer's model. It's acquiring some information. And now you're suggested to choose your favorite photo and try it out, but let's just close this window to proceed to the application. So what you can do from this application: first of all, you can manage your printer. You can tap on the printer's image. It takes you to the menu of printer information, utilities, online manual, and so on. Let's close this. Also, you can control the printer's functions from this application, and for example, First of all, let's print something. Let's print a document. For example, go to Documents, select a document we wish to print. From Downloads, let's say I want to print this one. So it creates the print preview. You need to hit Next, select which pages of this document you wish to print, all of them, or maybe just current, or maybe some page range. Let's say from number 1 to number 2. The following paper is selected. Do you want to check online manual? No, we don't want. So first of all, I will change the paper size because my paper is A4, not letter. How many copies? Just one for this example. Same as original size, or you want to fit the document to the page size. So you need to select between these two options as well. Set your media type, plain paper in my case, I don't have to change anything, and color or monochrome. And also you can enable two-sided printing. This printer is capable of printing on two sides automatically, so let's print two-sided long edge. Whatever it means, you need to test these features to understand what you need exactly. So let's go back. Do not show this again. Do you want to check online manual? No, I don't want. I really don't want. So once you're done your settings, hit print and let the printer to do its job. Side number 1, wait for it. Hop, it takes it back. That's it. That's how it works. Now let's scan something. Let's, for example, scan this document. First of all, about how to place documents, you need to place the side you want to scan facing down and make sure the top left corner of this side is aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. So you have the arrow pointing to the corner here. So put the document facing down like this and glide, fit snugly to the edges, and just close the lid. Next, in Canon Print application, hit Scan, and when you're selecting this feature for the first time, you are suggested to select Folder, where you will save your scan. So hit OK and select folder in your file system. Let's say Scans. I've created it before. Use this folder, allow access to files. And now it takes you to scan settings. First of all, select output format. If you want to create multi-page document, you need to select PDF. If you scan in photo, it's better to select JPEG, something like this. We are scanning document. Next, select original type, document or photo, color or grayscale, and select your paper size. Then go back and hit scan to get the result on the screen. If you want to add more pages to your scan, just place the next page or turn your document to the other side, close the lid, and only after this hit scan one more time. So scan as many pages as you need, then hit exit, and the file is saved to the folder you just selected. Unfortunately, they don't give you tools to edit your file. You just can share the file using one of your applications from your smartphone on the next screen, but you can't mark up, add text, and so on like in professional applications. So if you need advanced features, probably do your own research and get something else from Play Store. Maybe you need to pay for the application or something like this. But your file is already saved, and if you want to share, just share it. If you don't want to share, just go back one more time and it takes you to the home screen. What else? I won't show you how to use smartphone copy. It's self-explaining. Just take your smartphone and make copies. I want to tell you that you don't have to use Canon Print application each time you want to print something. Yes, it's pretty good for basic needs. You can even connect cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive and print right from your cloud. But let's say you want to print something from web or from, for example, email. So what you need to do in this case, open your mail application, select any email you wish to print, tap on three dots, print, and what you need is make sure that this printer is selected in this drop down if you want to print exactly on Canon Pixma. And the other settings you already know, pages, color, and so on. Also, let's go back to Canon Print application. If you want to add the next smartphone to your system, connect the printer to another smartphone. You don't have to set it up from scratch. Just hit add/switch and tap register printer, and you will see the printer on this screen right away because it's already connected to your Wi-Fi network. One more cool thing about this application is copy feature control. So you can hit copy and you have the same buttons as on your printer here, but the difference is you can set number of copies up to 99 pieces over here, and for the first time it's going to require password from you. To get this password, you need to press and hold Wi-Fi button until you see blinking power indicator, and then press Wi-Fi button once again, and the printer will print this page, and you can find this password over here. So once you enter this password, it will give you the first copy, and in future you will not be required to enter this password anymore. That's it. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.